How to scan using Canon PIXMA TR4720 printer. Here's a detailed, step-by-step guide on how to scan using the Canon PIXMA TR4720 printer, including various methods using a computer, Canon apps, and the printer's control panel. 1. Basic overview of scanning on Canon PIXMA TR4720. The Canon PIXMA TR4720 is an all-in-one printer capable of printing, scanning, copying, and faxing. Scanning can be done via computer, Windows Mac, using Canon software, mobile device using the Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app, directly from the printer's control panel. Let's break these down step by step. 2. Preparing to scan. A. Check connections. USB connection. Ensure your printer is connected to your computer via USB or Wi-Fi connection. Make sure the printer and device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Use the printer's screen to check Wi-Fi settings via menu, wireless LAN settings. B. Install software. Download and install the Canon Jcan utility and/or Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app. For Windows Mac, download from Canon's website, Canon support for mobile devices. Install Canon Print Inkjet Selfie from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. 3. Scanning from a computer using Jcan utility. A. Place document. Lift the scanner lid. Place the document face down on the scanner glass. Align it with the marked corner guides. B. Open Jcan utility. On your PC, search for Jcan utility and open it. You'll see multiple scan options. Auto scan detects document type automatically. Document scans with optimized settings for text. Photo optimized for high-resolution images. Custom allows manual adjustment of DPI, color format, etc. C. Scan settings optional. Click settings in the utility for DP dots per inch, file format PDF, JPEG, and save location. Higher DPI equal better quality but larger file size. D. Initiate scan. Click your preferred scan option, e.g. document. Wait as the scan completes. The scanned file is saved automatically to the chosen location. Default is Pictures Jcan utility folder. 4. Scanning directly from the printer panel. A. Place document face down on the scanner glass. B. Navigate the menu. Press the home button. Use arrow buttons to navigate to scan. Press OK. Select scan to computer, USB, or Wi-Fi. C. Choose settings. Choose scan type, color or black and white. Adjust resolution DPI if prompted. Confirm the destination computer. D. Start scan. Press start. Scan progress will show on screen. The file will be sent to the selected computer. 5. Scanning via mobile device. A. Download Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app. Connect your printer to Wi-Fi. Open the app. Add your printer. B. Start scanning. In the app, tap Scan. Choose scan settings, color mode, resolution, file type. Tap Scan. Preview and save file to your phone or cloud storage. 6. Advanced settings for better scans. Resolution 300 dpi standard, 600 dpi for photos. File format PDF for documents, JPEG for photos. Color mode, grayscale or BW for text, color for images. Multiple pages. Use Jcan utility scan gear to scan multiple pages into one PDF. 7. Scanning via automatic document feeder, ADF. For multi-page documents, place pages in ADF tray face up. Use Jcan utility or printer panel to scan. Select scan using ADF if prompted. 8. Troubleshooting scanning issues. Scanner not detected. Check USB Wi-Fi connection. Restart printer and computer. Reinstall Canon drivers. Poor scan quality. Increase DPI. Clean the scanner glass. Avoid shadows by fully closing lid. File not saving. Check folder permissions. Change save location in settings. 9. File management tips. Organize scans into folders, e.g. receipts, photos, documents. Rename files for easy retrieval. Consider cloud backup via Google Drive, Dropbox, or iCloud. 10. Additional tools. Scan Gear offers precise control over scan settings. OCR software converts scanned images into editable text.